Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today I am going to show you how to make a CAM program for roughing and finishing of a block. So this is a solid block. If you see here, this if I shade it, the shading is done. This is a solid block. And what we have to do is, in the milling, we have to do this cavity, roughing and finishing of the cavity. First we have to do roughing and then we have to do finishing. And this is the profile. Here is given. This is 2D profile given here and this is a solid like this. So how to do it? We have to create two type of tool paths. One is roughing tool path, 3D roughing, and another is contouring tool path, 3D contouring. So how to do that? Here if you see this, first of all what we have to do is, if you go this tool path, you see here, so these, there are two operations. One is surface rough pocket, another is surface finish contour. So here surface rough pocket, that means roughing of the pocket. Roughing of the pocket. In other program it is finishing of the contour. So first of all is, what are the parameters of the rough pockets? If I go to these parameters, here it is given, this is a 10 mm flat tool we are using here. You can use any tool which is acceptable for you. You have to see the profile, and this 10 mm and mill I have used here, and mill. So otherwise you can take some other tool also, get from the library, and you can get any tool, say flat mm, 10 mm or 12 mm or whatever, like this. This is 12 mm, but I have used here is 10 mm flat. Okay, and these are the parameters. What is plunge rate, feed rate, retract rate. So this is feed rate and this is here plunge rate, and this is tool diameter, corner radius is 0, and this is your spindle speed. Say spindle speed, you can take it if it is 2000 rpm here, and then this is a sequence, start sequence of the program, 100, 102, 104, like that. This is sequence increment. If you sequence start, you can take it also as a 2, then sequence increment is 2, then 2, 4, 6, like that. That will be the sequence number. Program number, you can add any program, say it is 1000 here, any program 1000, say, like this. This is tool diameter, and these are the main parameters. Okay, this is length offset, dia offset given here, the tool number, tool name, 10 mm flat, then feed rate. Say feed rate is, if it is 200 mm per minute, feed rate. Plunge rate may be 50 mm per minute, and retract rate also, it may be retracted, may be more, it may be 300 or like that. So these are the parameters, initial parameters. Then are surface parameters. So if you see here, these are the surface parameters. Retract rate, retract level is 50 mm here, and feed plane is at 5 mm, like this, and this is your top of stock is 0. Say this is your top of the stock, it is 0. So these are the parameters. And stock to leave, because it is a roughing, Stroke to leave maybe, stroke to leave, if I take it 0.2 mm, 0.2, and all these parameters you can take it like this. Then are rough pocket parameters. Roughing parameter, we have taken this parallel spiral. Maximum step down is 1 mm. 1 mm steps, it will be cutting in steps of 1 mm only. And if you want to take helix entry, you can take it, otherwise it is not required here. So, and plunge rate, prompt for entry point, you can define any point for that. And this is a step over percentage, this is step over distance. And finishing passes, there is one pass, finish pass, and finish pass spacing is 1 mm. So we have defined all these parameters like that. And okay, now I have changed some parameters. So a cross is there, you have to regenerate this path, region path. So this path will be regenerated like this. These are the cuts here. Total cuts are 52 like this. Z depth minus 30, minus 31 like this. So these are the cuts here, and I have created this surface rough, and I can verify it. If you verify this rough path, if you verify it, so it will be like this. It will be cutting this solid. This is the roughing of the solid here. So like this roughing is done. The processing tool 64%, 65% like that. So here this roughing is done now, 100%. This roughing is done. But because these faces are in the taper, all the faces having some taper, so there are some steps on the taper, because every time it is cutting 1 mm deep or maximum 1 mm depth, so every time it is having some light steps here like this, because it is in taper. So now what I have to do is second program is surface finish contour. So if you look here, surface finish contour, this program, these parameters, surface finish contour. Now in the surface finish contour, we are using spherical cutter. This is a 10 mm sphere cutter here. So same way, this program number I had already taken, it may be 1000. This is sequence start, say 2, like that. Tool diameter, corner radius is 5 because it is a spherical cutter. This is spindle speed, if I take is 3000 rpm because it is a ball nose cutter. It can be equivalent say on here, plot like this. And these are retract rates. Retract rate you can define 50, for it may be 300, okay, and plunge rate may be 50 per minute. Feed rate, it may be 250 like that. These are the rates, and these are tool numbers given here, all the parameters. Next is surface parameter. In surface parameter, same retract rate, feed rate, it is given here. Feed plane 5 mm, retract plane is 50 mm like that. So it is a tip compensation center. Stroke to leave, Now it should be 0 because we are doing finishing. So this is some cutting surface, drive surface and check surface. Drive surface are those surfaces on which our cutter moves. It does cutting over there. Check surfaces are those surfaces which cutter don't dig into that surface. These are the check surfaces. Okay. So these are the parameters, and then finish contour parameter. It is given here. Tolerance for further finishing is 0.02 mm. Maximum step down is 1 mm, like that. And this is a climb direction of contour, climb milling, down milling also you can say. So the direction of open contour, it is one way, like this. So these are the parameters you can define here. Okay. So surface finish contour, if I run it, we can also verify this also. So now we can verify both the programs. Just you have to select this also. Both the programs are selected now, and now you verify it. If you verify, just verify this. Now first it will be roughing in the first program. In the second it will be finishing, contour finishing. So it is doing just like pocket program, just like 2D pocket in the roughing. Surface rough pocket. It was surface rough pocket. Okay. Now when this second program will start. Okay. So so now depths are complete. Now it has started second program, and it is doing now contouring, only cutting on the profiles, side profiles, and it is doing finishing only. The material which was left in the first program, it is only removing that material only. So this is a contour program, surface finish contour. Now the job is finished. Okay. I think it's clear to you. Please like, share and subscribe. Meet you soon in next video.